And Mark Ronchetti joins us now, and you were saying Rick shouldn't have too much of an impact here.
I think Rick's going to curl well south of us, going to hit parts of Mexico. Maybe some of that will get pushed into parts of Texas, but we're not too worried about that. It's the storm headed in our direction that's actually going to roll on through here as we work our way into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's a much bigger factor. We'll get to that in 1 second, but we do have a couple showers across the Boot Heel right now that have pushed through Lordsburg, closing in on Silver City from the southwest, but not going to be a real big deal here. A couple sprinkles, and then things will start to calm down here. Gets far more interesting across the state by Tuesday. As far as what's happening right now across the north, 50s and 60s for us, down to the south, 60s and some 70s at this point. Looking at the satellite and radar here, we have a couple of those showers continuing across the Boot Heel. This isn't a real big deal. It's a weather disturbance well to the south, so that's not going to have a huge impact, but it's one that's coming down from the Pacific Northwest that eventually is going to come rolling through the state here. The good news on this particular system is a few days ago, it looked like it may skip through northern New Mexico, may move very, very quickly and not be particularly strong. Well, now it shows signs of being a bit stronger than we had originally thought, so that's some good news, and digging farther to the south as well. That's good news, too. So as it comes on down here, we'll crank up the winds a little bit for tomorrow, bring in a few more clouds, and then the storm itself will come across on Tuesday, starting with showers out to the west early Tuesday, and those will spread across the state as we push throughout the day on Tuesday. Could last into early, say, Wednesday and early Thursday, but I think realistically here, I think things are going to be done by Wednesday. A couple clouds could linger across the northeast by Thursday, but overall, most of the action will be Tuesday into Wednesday morning. So right now, the storm is pushing into the northwest coast. Timing that we're watching at this point, Tuesday into Wednesday. And then what to expect from this deal? Well, it does look like a warm storm. So scattered showers, some high mountain snows will be possible, and breezy to windy conditions out there. Bust potential was at 70% a few days ago. Now it's down to 45 and getting better out there. We get some more agreement, one more model run on this. We're probably going to bring it down to about 30% here. So a good 2/3 chance that we get a pretty good storm out of this deal. So here is exactly what you can expect here. Clouds coming into western sections of the state late Monday and into Tuesday. We'll start to see those showers across the west, and they'll just shift, starting in western sections and then shift across the state throughout the day on Tuesday into Wednesday morning as well. A little bit of snow will be possible here above about 9,000 feet. The problem is storm's not going to bring in a tremendous amount of cold air with it. So we're probably more than likely going to see rain in most areas and maybe a couple thunderstorms across northeastern New Mexico with this as well Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. We'll keep you posted on that. But for tomorrow, one more pretty good one. Partly cloudy across the northwest, 60s and 70s, and over to the northeast. Temperatures here, 60s in the mountains, 80s around Santa Rosa and Tucumcari. Back toward the south and west, temperatures here in the 80s. Some thunderstorms still possible through tonight. And across the southeast, temperatures warm for tomorrow. 90 Roswell, 89 Artesia, 83 Lovington. Scattered showers will become possible across the southeast as we head into late Tuesday afternoon. 70s around the East Mountains, and then here in the Albuquerque area, topping out at 80 tomorrow, 74 Santa Fe, and 77 in Placitas. Santa Fe 7-day outlook. Some showers possible and now becoming likely Tuesday and early Wednesday before things die down again. And here in Albuquerque, same deal. We're looking at a good chance of showers around midday Tuesday through early Wednesday, on and off, but still pretty good little rainmaker for us. And then things calm down by Thursday and Friday.
All right. Thank you, Mark.